How to fix Windows 10 camera not working. To fix Windows 10 camera not working, try 1. Check if your camera has been included in the sound, video, and game controllers and/or imaging devices under Device Manager. 2. Launch the Scan for Hardware Changes option. 3. Switch camera access for this device to on under Windows 10 settings. 4. Grant specific apps access/options to your camera in the Choose which Microsoft Store apps can access your camera section. 5. Update, using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide, /reinstall, potentially missing/problematic, camera driver with Device Manager. Plan B, roll back your camera driver using Device Manager. 6. Remove recently installed update. In Windows 10. 7. Roll back to a previous version of Windows 10.